All right, we have CPM Math 3, problem 1-16. In this case, we're being asked to draw a complete graph and create a table and also write an equation in order to model a situation. So Junior's saving money. He starts beginning with 10 cents and he adds 2 pennies each day. The favorite place to start with these is with a table. So let's set up a table. Okay, so we've got a table sort of set up here. Day is the independent variable and pennies is the dependent variable because the number of pennies depends on how many days have gone by. And so our day 0, that is the starting point. And notice he starts right up here with 10 cents or 10 pennies. And then every day he's going to add 2 pennies. So on day 1, he adds 2 pennies and he has 12 pennies. And on day 2, he adds another 2 pennies. So he now has 14 pennies. He's adding 2 pennies and so on and so forth. So we can just add 2 with each day that goes by. 20, 22, 24, 26, and then X, that's going to be the general equation. And what we want to put in here is the equation that they are asking us for. All right, and you notice we have a linear equation because we're adding the same number each day. So that's m slope if we're using the y equals mx plus b format of an equation. And so m is, just a reminder, slope, and b is the y-intercept or the starting point. Okay, so slope is, in this case, 2. The y-intercept is the starting point where x is 0, 10. So let's write our equation. Y equals 2x plus 10. So 2x plus 10 is the general equation. You will see that a lot this year. Okay, drawing a complete graph, I am going to leave that up to you. I am going to ask you to make sure that you use a straight edge in order to create your axes, label your x and y axis with day and pennies, and draw a complete graph, understanding that he is adding a discrete 2. You can count the number of pennies he adds each day, so you will not be connecting the points on the graph.